This is the elevator at the Frable building at Penn State Greater Allegheny in McKeesport, Pennsylvania. This is another old elevator. It's curved door frames, maybe an old Otis, but got another Eastern Jail up with VPWI replacement. Probably has the same stone stone cab as library. This one was a hospital sized cab though. Basement, just a yellow light. Here we go down. Basement. Just storage. Some places and stuff down here. Up to 3, here we go. Certificate, same as the library, which is replacement in 2012. It's a basic Penn State stainless steel cab. It is a pretty sturdy cab though. Eastern elevator number, file of equipment number, number 1. Very close enough to it.